you're looking for a first-rate auto, this one could be yours today. With an efficient 4-cylinder engine connected to a manual transmission that'll keep you in touch with your vehicle. Stand out from the crowd with premium wheels. Plus, enjoy these notable features that are included in this vehicle: power steering, an adjustable tilt steering wheel. If safety is a high priority, rest assured knowing that these top safety components are included. Call today to schedule a test drive.